Holiday heartbreak for first-time homeowners. We are hearing firsthand how the Humboldt County earthquake has shattered their lives just a few days before Christmas. Dozens of homes are now unsafe and uninhabitable, with families lacking the money or the insurance to rebuild. Good evening, everyone. I'm Alex Savage.
Hi, everyone. I'm Frank Malakot. Some homes are so badly damaged, those who live there aren't even allowed inside. KTVU's Brooks Giroux spent several days up in Humboldt County. He joins us now to share one couple's untimely struggle. Brooks?
Well, Jackie and Shane McIntosh are in their 20s and they want to start a family. They recently put their Rio Dell home up for sale and had a potential buyer. But that all changed overnight. Now they say the cost to repair their house, even ballpark estimates, is more than the amount they owe on their home loan. A once standing safe haven became an unsafe, real-life nightmare within seconds.
I just remember grabbing the leg of the bed and just holding on for dear life as we're getting jostled around, and I can hear like both of us screaming.
Jackie and Shane McIntosh were tossed from their bed as a 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck Humboldt County early Tuesday morning, a place prone to routine shakes.
Instead of rattling and a little shaking, it was like violent, like throwing stuff. It was all of our furniture is at least 3 feet away from where it was positioned originally. I remember hearing crashing, cracking, snapping.
Their Rio Dell home fell off its foundation, the gas line crushed and leaking, the water line snapped and spewing, their investment plan in place destroyed.
It's been everything to us. We put all our time, our money, our effort. This was like our first starter home, and it was where we started to make roots.
Soon to be newlyweds, they celebrated their new home in 2019 and spent the last couple of years remodeling, but job changes and last year's big quake made them ready to move.
I told my husband basically my nerves can't take it anymore.
Set to sell, they say another couple was planning to make an offer the same day the quake hit. While they managed to rescue their 15-year-old dog and their potbelly pig, their cat is still missing. The home is not retrofitted, so it doesn't qualify for earthquake insurance. The McIntoshes say they had just applied for government grant money to do that. But now
we have a giant lawn ornament, our house. We still have a mortgage to pay, but there's nothing.
With just days before Christmas, they're not alone. At least 27 Humboldt County homes have been red tagged, unsafe and structurally damaged. What's next is still not known.
I don't care about Christmas right now. That is so far off my realm. We are a small community, and this has just it's been a huge blow for us. And I don't know how we're going to recover. I know we're resilient and we will, but we need help.
Right now, federal, state, and local officials are doing damage assessments. That will determine if the state qualifies for a federal disaster declaration, which could provide additional funding to those homeowners. For now, Shane and Jackie's family has set up a GoFundMe in hopes of rebuilding their lives.
Brooks, where are the McIntoshes now? Where are they staying?
Well, right now they are living up in Arcata. That's where they actually work. They work in manufacturing, and their employer has given them temporary housing and assistance. They're also planning to go to Chico to spend the holidays with family.
Wow. And how much is that house worth?
So it was on the market for $330,000, and they were expecting to have an appointment with potential buyers the morning of the earthquake at 8 a.m.
Wow.
Of course, they were awakened out of bed just before 3 a.m.
Well, we wish them the best. Brooks, thank you for that.